What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Josh Olson. Today we are going to be talking about my 42-inch CEC Newport from the late 1980s. I got this at Habitat in a box with another ceiling fan for 20 bucks. So I don't really know how much this cost because it was like a combo thing. And with the box I got the baby ceiling fan that I have, so that's if you're wondering. So yeah, let's get into it. Now right off the bat, that light kit I installed, so that is not original. There was no light kit, and obviously I need lights, so I just got a light kit for pretty cheap and then installed it on there. And then I supplied the globes and bulbs. So I'll show that real quick. I'll leave the lights on for most of the video because it's kind of dark down here. I mean, I think I would look better with the lights on. So yeah, let's start it up on low. Now this fan actually tends to stall, so I'm genuinely surprised it started up right there. It's making like a very deep hum every X amount of seconds. It's pretty much dead silent. Let's kick it up to medium. Still like dead silent. I'll turn the lights off so you can see what it looks like with the lights off. And we'll kick it up to high. It does make a noise, but I think that's the globe. Sometimes if you touch it, it stops. I don't know what it is. It just went away. Not sure how, but it did. Turn the lights back on. And the sound comes back. Apparently, I don't know. It wasn't making this noise before. And we'll turn it off. So while that's spinning down, I'll give you guys some background information on this fan. So out of all the ceiling fans I got so far, this one was the most difficult to get it to this stage. When I got it, there was no down rod, and for some reason it's this really particular size. So I had to find a piece of plumbing pipe at Home Depot, cut it down, drill the holes through it, and make my own down rod, which took a while. The lead wires coming from the fan were cut extremely short, beyond repair. So this fan had to have new leads installed, which was another amount of pain, because I spent a lot of time trying to fix the original leads. So given all that information, I was spending a lot of time trying to fix this fan, and it was just taking a long time and being very difficult. As you could tell, that spin down was not that great, and like I said, it could benefit from some oil, but whatever. So yeah, it's interesting. I mentioned the fan would stall sometimes. So basically, I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's the capacitor, but sometimes you turn this on and it doesn't do anything. And then sometimes if you like touch it or play with like the reverse switch, it would turn on. I don't know if it's a bad connection, but a couple of the times, I think the last time I installed it, I did that. I was trying to flip the switch up and down and nothing happened. So I'm not sure what was going on. I don't know if it's the capacitor or whatever. If I can get it to stall on video, that'd be nice. Which might happen now because I'm going to show you the reverse. I'm not going to do all 3 speeds, but I'll just show you. Yeah, this fan was just in pretty rough condition. Definitely not the worst. Cosmetically, it looks great, but internally, it definitely needed some help. So I think this fan could benefit from probably a new reverse switch and a new capacitor and some oil. And I think it would be a lot better. Although the switches are pretty much perfect. The light switch actually is from my Kenroy. I had to borrow that because I broke the light switch, which came with the light kit, not the fan, just to clarify. I think the spin down's longer the other way. This is odd. Or that's just me, I don't know. Alright, let's see if I can get it to stall or not. It only really stalls if you mess with the reverse switch, which is why I think it might be just a bad connection. No? I don't know. In my last recording of this fan, which this is like a retake, I don't know if I even have that recording anymore. It did stall on video. So if I could find that recording, I'll insert it into this video, probably right after I'm saying this. But, yeah. All in all, it's a pretty good fan. And I'm pretty happy with it, you know. It was a pain to work on, but it was pretty rewarding in the end. And yeah. Well, I can get some close-ups. There is no startup sound, so I won't bother with that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys in the next one.